is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Now 12:10. You are probably not expecting this level of cool outside for August 3rd, by the way. It's 61 degrees. It's cloudy. There's still a good chunk of moisture in the air, and there's a southeast fetch of wind bringing in more moisture. Now, in Pueblo, we've cleared a lot of that out. So Pueblo, we'll start to get a little bit more of a gain on our warmth, but Colorado Springs is definitely struggling to warm up. The pollen count didn't change much last week. The trees are still the lowest. But one of the reasons that Colorado Springs is so cool is that where our morning low cloud cover was just unable to really get out of the way. Constant feed of this cool, moist air up the slope of El Paso County has kept it right up into the foothills, but everybody in the mountains west is a little sunnier, although we are starting to see that development of showers and cloud cover that'll be pushing into the region. So within the next little bit, we may actually get a few stray showers through Teller County, parts of Fremont County, maybe a little bit of western El Paso County, but some of the bigger stuff will be eventually coming into the southern mountains first. A little bit later. The good news about how cool this is for El Paso County, if it doesn't kill our severe threats, it definitely lowers it way down. Heavy rain still something we could get though later today. Temperatures are, 60s in the Pikes Peak region, but there is a lot more warmth out there, especially around here, Levita, Trinidad, Walsenburg, and that's where the severe threats remain a little bit higher. The wind is still out of the east, blowing back to the interstate, which has kept quite a bit of moisture across southern Colorado. Trinidad, we need to bump that number up if we're going to get some huge soaking rain. Our radar returns are not showing much. We just kind of looked at it a little bit more so up to the west of Park County and Teller County, but a few of those showers will try to come on in to the Pikes Peak region. But I do think that as the model shows, they won't be that bad, especially due to the fact that we're so cool. What'll be more interesting is by the time we get to about 2 to 3 o'clock, the storms that wobble towards Westcliff, around Custer County and Huerfano County, these could quickly get strong and possibly severe, especially as they get closer to Levita. When they move into Huerfano County, so the wet mountains down to Levita and Walsenburg by 3 to 4 o'clock, that's a strong, even close to severe signature in the model. It runs down the southern mountains towards Trinidad by 4 to 5. Flooding in the spring burns guard, this could be a huge concern later today. And then back behind 5 and 6 o'clock, Teller County into El Paso County, we're set to get some showers and thunderstorms. This no longer would have as much of a severe threat as what we saw earlier today, but this could still be some heavy rain, and as storms move out east in El Paso, Lincoln County, the severe threat's a little lower, and Pueblo, we might be able to get a stray shower kind of this evening between 7 to maybe 8 o'clock tonight. Over the next few days, I actually bumped our storm impact scale down today due to the fact that I think we've kind of lost our heat. So 85 definitely early years forecast numbers. We're probably more likely to be in the mid 70s, heavy rain a possibility. But then Tuesday, Wednesday, stronger, possibly severe storms are in the forecast. In Pueblo, we could see heavy rain, but that chance is very low. Tomorrow and Wednesday, if we're going to have strong, maybe severe storms, it's a little bit more likely on those 2 days. And we should be hotter. Canyon City, maybe some stray heavy rain, but I'm not that worried about today or tomorrow's hailstorms or just storms in general. Severe weather on Wednesday, that could be a little bit more likely. And Woodland Park can't rule out at kind of end of the day heavy rain. Tomorrow some more storms, and then maybe some bigger stuff on Wednesday.